This is Topline Laser device. It is designed to increase safety and efficiency in the industrial environment, and it's very useful for non-experienced forklift truck drivers. Very easy installation, just 30 seconds. Hook it up to the carriage, tighten 2 bolts, and that's it. Powered by the lithium-ion battery, just connect it, and you are ready to go. Battery is enough to charge every 1-2 weeks, working 2 shifts. The device has integrated height sensor and automatically activates in needed height. Our green line laser is visible even in the daylight operations. The device has integrated vibration sensor for energy efficiency. After 2 minutes without any movement, the device shuts down automatically and saves energy. The body is made of steel, so it is long-lasting and robust. For those who want even better visibility, we have another product. It is camera and laser in one. Solution contains wireless video monitor. It streams HD video quality over Wi-Fi. Monitor can be powered using power bank or connected directly to the power supply of the forklift truck. Save money, increase safety and loading speed, and avoid damage.